जी मेरा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट डे टू डे डिपेंड्स ऑन माई मूड लेकिन यूजुअली जो मेरा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है इट्स मोर टू डू विथ माई म्यूजिक आई लाइक ब्लैक आई लाइक रॉक एंड रोल सो आई लाइक ड्रेसिंग दैट वे I'm wearing a custom outfit by Swapnil Shinde. Oh, it's amazing. Everyone there is so fashionable. So it was amazing to see all the beautiful people, all the talented people, and of course all the lovely films. Which industry? Oh, in Bollywood. I think the best dressed man. Who's the best dressed man? Huh? I like the way Arjun Rampal dresses. And in women, I like the way Kangana dresses. Yeah.
Thank you.
Not tonight, yeah. It's a nice night.
Hi. What are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Indian designer called Style and Nature.
And what is your fashion statement?
Well, I feel there's a difference between style and fashion. Style is something that you have. Fashion is what you buy. So I believe in a variety of things. It goes by every day or goes by my mood, by the month. I think it's really hot and summerish in Mumbai. That's why I like this color. I didn't go for black. So yeah, fashion keeps changing.
And who are the best dressed men and women from the industry according to you?
Best dressed men and women. I think men is Mr. Bachchan, Saif Ali Khan. Women, of course, Sonam. I think Priyanka. Yeah.
Can you please tell us about your upcoming projects, a little information?
Well, I just finished shooting Ittifaq. I'm done with it. I'm going to start Neeraj Pandey's Ayari very soon. I'm going to go to Kashmir and shoot. So prepping for that. I'm looking forward to that shoot, and yeah, it's going to be an exciting shoot. Yes, I am. Yes, I know. Very excited. Tomorrow is the India-Pakistan match. They're playing after a while, and I think it doesn't get better and more exciting than that. And yeah, looking forward to changing our plans and watching the match. Thank you.
Yeah. Here. Are you guys recording or yeah? Next film is Bhavesh Joshi. Next film is Bhavesh Joshi. Just finished shooting it. And then after that, I'm in talks for another film that should start at the end of the year. Yeah, so we are in talks right now. It's almost confirmed, not confirmed yet, but hopefully it should work out soon.
And what are the thoughts you're playing with? You'll be playing Sanju and Prashant Kapoor. What are the thoughts on that?
Yeah, no, so we're right now just working on the script and working on the looks and stuff. And we're waiting for everything to be finalized, and once that's done, then we can start talking about the film. Amazing. I think this is, I'm so new to the industry, and this is the first time for me. So it's really great. I think this is my first GQ event. No, actually my second GQ event, but my first Best Dressed. And my movie only came out in October, so it's also really great. Best Dressed Men and Women. Best Dressed Men would probably be, I think Imran Khan, Anil Kapoor, Imran, Dad, I think Rahul, yeah, Sonam, of course. Yeah, I'm watching it at home with my friends. I'm sure it's going to be great. And I hope it doesn't rain because it's in Edgbaston and the Australia-New Zealand game was washed out, So let's hope the weather stays good, and I think it's going to be really exciting, and it's amazing, big ICC, big tournaments, and India-Pakistan always great. Thank you. Thank you.
हेलो हाउ यू गाइस सॉरी हाय थैंक यू क्या कहना चाहूँगा कि जो मौसम है हमारे देश में, जो हमारे सिटी में मुंबई में मानसून आ गया, तो उसके हिसाब से ड्रेसिंग भी चेंज होने लगा है. सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस जैकेट इज़ बाय डी स्क्वायर एंड द पैंट्स आई थिंक द जीन्स आर बाय डीजल एंड द शूज़ आर बाय लुई विटॉन एंड द सॉक्स आर माय ओन. आई हैव मेड देम माई सेल्फ. Okay, so men, I think there's one man that I've always loved his style, Mr. Dev Anand. He's my mother's favorite actor. So बचपन से ही मैं जब उन्हें देखता था, जिस तरीके के मफलर्स पहनते थे या जो ब्लेजर्स थे उनके बहुत वेल टेलर्ड होते थे हमेशा, तो उनकी स्टाइल आई थिंक लाजवाब थी. Among the actresses, I think सारी जो एक्ट्रेसेस है बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. सोनम ऑब्वियसली समवन हू स्टैंड्स आउट, हमेशा एक स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट देती है वो जब बाहर आती है. Just be comfortable, be easy, dress according to the weather. I think we all are very very excited. मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ उस दिन जुड़वा के लिए, बट होपफुली मैं 6 बजे तक घर आ जाऊँगा. और डेफिनेटली मेरे जो my dad is a very very big cricket fan, so we'll definitely be watching the India-Pakistan match. And best of luck India.
Yeah, thank you.
हाँ ठीक है. together.
You're wearing. Who are you wearing? Yeah.
Antu, where are you going?
Hi guys.
Hi, yeah, this one.
Who are you wearing tonight? I'm wearing Abu Jani Sandeep
I'm
Khosla.
wearing Troy Costa. Troy Costa.
Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla. Fashion statement.
For me, it's GQ for sure. Yeah, GQ.
For me, I think is wear what you're comfortable wearing and what you think is your personality. हाँ जी, हाँ. हाँ. बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग है. I mean, हम घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करते तो अभी अच्छा लगा कि सेट पे भी हमने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ में. So I hope that everyone likes us coming together.
Very intense. It's very intense film, man. It's basically very different to what we share in real life and what we share on set.
Thank you. All the best, Team India. Do well.
All the best.
Thank you, guys.
I think I'm wearing Kanali. Yeah.
How does it feel to be a part of the best dress?
It's a privilege, although I feel I'm getting more than I deserve. I think just being my father's son, you know, that's he's the coolest thing I'm wearing around tonight. He's just with me, you know, so I feel cool just showing my father off. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Very exciting. It's always a nice matchup. They're both great teams, so looking forward to the match. Thank you.
चलना भिड़ो वही का वही आने वाला है बे
I'm wearing my wardrobe tonight. Yeah, I didn't want to spend too much money. Yeah. I don't know. I like simple colors. For me, simple is fashion. So I mostly wear black and white. I like boots. I'm a big fan of shoes. I would say Saif Ali Khan and Sonam Kapoor. जी. They're gonna win anyway. They're gonna win anyway.
sorry, yaar. I rarely get to meet my family.
Who are you wearing tonight?
Siddharth Tyler.
Okay, and what will be your fashion statement?
Comfort. Always comfort.
And who, according to you, are the best dressed men and women from the industry? And amongst actresses?
No, it's him only. No, him only. My family is the best. Sonam Kapoor and Anil Kapoor, sorted. Like best dressed is Anil Kapoor, best dressed is Sonam Kapoor.
No.
Actually, Boni and Sanjay Kapoor.
The best dressed in our family is Boni Kapoor and Sanjay.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. We come third and fourth.
Yeah.
Third
No,
is Liverpool.
distant. Then the Sonam, Riya, there are lots of people. Then after
Who are
that.
you wearing tonight?
Sorry?
Who are you wearing tonight?
I don't know. What am I wearing tonight? Let me check.
Jalal, where's Jalal? Jalal, who will be wearing?
What am I wearing? I'll come back.
It doesn't matter who he's wearing, he's looking outstanding. I'm very excited for a Sunday where I can be chilled out and watch the match. Yes, I'm looking forward to the Champions League final tonight as well, so I'm excited about that. जी सुमित कैसे हैं आप? Hi, how are you? कैसे हो आप? Yeah, you can shake my hand. I don't bite. I look like I do, I don't. चलिए, see you guys. Oh. He doesn't know. Done? All the best to the Indian cricket team here. I can't say what I want, but like I hope they kick some. Beep, beep, beep.
Yes. Who's going to ask? What is fashion to me? I think personal style एक वर्ड जो अक्सर कहा जाता है कंफर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बट इट्स लिटरली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नो मैटर व्हाट यू वेयर इंडियन कैजुअल वेस्टर्न इंडो वेस्टर्न और व्हाटएवर रेड कार्पेट नो रेड कार्पेट एयरपोर्ट it has to be really comfortable only then I can it's easy to carry and look good that's the only way day to day life में exactly जैसे होना चाहिए which is like any other girl which is just maybe could be something a dress if I feel like wearing some sneakers and jeans and just a white t-shirt and watch and I'm ready to go. I'm not a very fussy person when it comes to fashion or I have to wear this. If you're fit, if you know what suits your body, I think you can never fail. I am wearing Nupur Kanoe and thankfully I do remember. I'm very bad at names but it's Nupur Kanoe. Best dressed people, I think Mr. Bachchan, of course, and I think today everybody is well dressed. We have, thankfully, I must thank our stylists who are there in the industry today. I think they're really very well versed in their arena. I think, and all of them are very unique in their own way. So I think more than me, if someone compliments on the style, I'd give it to my stylist. Thank you. I don't think I'll. Thank you. There doesn't have to be thought on everything, so I have no thought. But yeah, all the best to both the teams. And she win. Thank you. I'd just like to say that it's a lot of fun when you get to celebrate style like this at occasions like these. So it's also a good way to kind of experiment. When you want to try something new. Yeah, it's a good fun. If you ask me about who I think according to me has the best style in Bollywood, it has to be Kangana. Kangana Ranaut, yeah, she has the best style in Bollywood. In males, well, actually there are a lot of people. I think Mr. Bachchan. I see a different person today if you ask me about my style transformation. And I also actually very evidently see a change in the last 2 years. I think it's amazing to kind of experiment and finally come into your own. I feel like I've come into my own now. Yes, hopefully, yeah. It's too early to talk about my next film, but there's a very interesting short film that I've done, which you'll see in a big way. So it's an interesting one. Of course, all the best, do well, and it's going to be an exciting match.
I'm wearing Label D, pink outfit here. Since it's about the fashion best dress, I'm waiting to see what everyone's wearing. Very excited to be here. Very fashionable people, very stylishly, with their fashion, their best fashion foot forward, I think. No, nothing. I think we take fashion too seriously. I don't think anything should go out of fashion because what's very fashionable today, tomorrow might be a disaster. And what was very fashionable 10 years ago is coming back now, and now it's very big. So, yeah, so I don't think anything should go out of fashion. Thank you.
Fashion statement? Well, I wore pink today. I never wear pink, so this is like quite a statement for me. Nishka. Yeah. I love personal styles. I love Kalki's style. I love Neha Dupia. You know, she makes everything work from a white shirt to, you know, palazzos. And obviously Sonam, I love Kangna's style. I think I identify with her style. You know, she wears saris in a very cool way. I love wearing saris as well, too shorts. Sonam obviously makes everything work. So yeah, all of them are great. Actors, Shah Rukh Khan. He makes just jeans and a t-shirt look so cool, you know. No, not at all. I'm going on a vacation tomorrow, so yeah, I'm not watching the match. No. Just sorry.
What to say? Hi. I've learned in life not to have expectation of anybody. I've come here to celebrate and have fun. I think, very honestly speaking, GQ, I always feel with GQ, I have the freedom to just like wear anything I want and be whoever I am. And I think I can express myself best when I've worked with them before. And today also I feel quite comfortable with what I'm wearing and what I'm doing. And that's why I'm here, because I really like their spirit. And I think comfort and experiment and just feeling good about yourself is what GQ is all about. Oh, really, really cool. Thank you very much, GQ. फॉलो किसी का करती नहीं हूँ इतना, मतलब, पर आई थिंक एक्ट्रेसेस में सोनम, कंगना, दीपिका, दे ऑल ऑलवेज रियली वेल ड्रेस्ड. And with actors, I think Ranveer I really like. He's always experimenting with looks. I also like Shah Rukh. He's so casual many times. मेरा हर रोज शूट चालू है, तो इसलिए मैं अभी उस शूट से ही आ रही हूँ और मैं शूट को कल भी सुबह शूट है, तो आई हैवंट बीन एबल टू. I have no thoughts. Okay. Are we done? Okay. Thank you. styled me. So there's nothing special. मेरे कपड़ से कपड़े हैं. So I don't know whether I'm well dressed or not, but I'm really comfortable and I'm happy. In Bollywood, I really like Sonam Kapoor style, obviously. Alia Bhatt, Shah Rukh Khan, and Ranbir Kapoor. I'm really excited because that's the only match I watch. Though I have like zero knowledge about cricket, but that's the match I don't miss. Yeah, okay. Oh, so I was saying that I don't watch cricket itna, but I only watch India and Pakistan match, and I'm really excited about the match tomorrow. No. No.
I am wearing Hemant and Nandita. I don't know. I really don't know. It keeps changing. I like Ranveer style. I like Ranveer style. Look into that instead. Actresses. Sonam, Kalki, Alia. Yeah, everybody is so well dressed now. Like this, easy. Yeah, easy. Hi, buddy, how are you? Yes. It's mostly to do with the environment, yeah, and being responsible about climate change, and also some animal welfare for like stray animals. That I really believe in. कौन सा match है? Good luck, boys. Come back with the win and come. How are you? Fully. I mean, I'm very excited. Finally, it's raining, and there's 3 films that have released for me in 1 month. Watch out for Bank Chor on 16th June. Also, Dobara is released right now. super excited and happy to be at the GQ Best Dress. Me? I think fashion and style is something that you feel. Whatever you feel looks good on you and whatever you can rock, you should wear it. So I'm experimental like that. So I like to try new things and see what works. For the India-Pakistan, all the best, Team Blue, bleed blue, go win it, make us proud. Virat, we're banking on you. Thank you.
I'm wearing Ashish and Sony, and I'm feeling very professional and cool, and I'm really happy to be here for the GQ Best Dress 2017. Always good to know for the rest of the year what we should be wearing. I know, I'm not wearing a blouse, very bold. Well, I think that this was, I'm styled by Divya Saini, my stylist, somewhere here. And yeah, it's really her idea. I think everyone looks pretty good in the industry, but I will have to say that amongst the women, of course, Sonam is my favorite. And amongst the men, I think Ranveer is always very well turned out. Ranbir is also very well turned out. Everyone actually. I am like the biggest cricket jahil in the world. But of course, I'd like to wish the Indian team all the very best. I don't know what I'm wishing them for, but yes, I do.
स्टाइल तो मेरे ख्याल से मैंने हमेशा कुछ चुन के तो फॉलो नहीं किया है। हाँ, मेरे भाई से मुझे बहुत प्रेरणा मिलती है और उनके कपड़े मैंने बहुत पहने हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से वहाँ से ही एक इंस्पिरेशन आया होगा और एक इन्फ्लुएंस होगा। लेकिन जो मुझे पसंद है, जो मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगता है, जो पहनने में अच्छा लगता है, जो अच्छा दिखता है मुझे, वो पहनता हूँ मैं। That's what। जी हाँ, उसके बारे में तो आप खुद देख लेंगे और जो बात करेंगे। I can't really tell you about my character in the movie just yet, ma'am. That's not my prerogative. लेकिन हाँ, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मैं हमेशा अच्छी फिल्में करूँ, मीनिंगफुल फिल्में करूँ और कुछ दिलचस्प और नया करूँ। वो तो हमेशा से मिलते आए हैं और मिलते आएंगे। It's really cool. I mean, it was really nice of them to put me on the list. Sorry, India-Pakistan match. माफ़ कीजिएगा, I'm not much of a cricket enthusiast, but I'm cheering for India all the way. Thank you so much.
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? जी, स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट ये है कि बी कंफर्टेबल बट बी डिफरेंट। ये डिज़ाइनर है मिस्टर सचदेव, पवन सचदेव फ्रॉम दिल्ली, एंड ही इज़ मेड दिस स्पेशली फॉर मी, सो इट्स क्वाइट नाइस, इट्स डिफरेंट। आई मीन, यू नो, like a long shirt with like a small kind of skirt. Yeah, it's a mix of everything. May the best man win. जी, she had prior commitments, so she's busy. Thank you. Thank you.
I am wearing a outfit by Govinda Mehta. Well, I've always looked at Sanjay Dutt as the biggest style icon. He's the sort of guy that can walk into a room with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, and everyone's going to turn around and look at him because he just has so much style. And amongst the women, I think Priyanka is of course very stylish. Vipasha is very stylish. Yeah, of course. I think everyone is. We're all looking forward to it. Pose for the camera.
I'm slowly coming back to normal from periodic fashion. So धीरे-धीरे transition हो रहा है. This is designed by Asa. I'm a big fan of his. And hi, bye. How are you? So yeah. I think it's GQ. Yeah, it's GQ fashion. That's the best you could do. Sorry. I think Shah Rukh Bhai is one of the best dressed. I love his style because I don't think it's just about clothes. It's about everything much more. I mean, sorry? Everybody. Deepika, PC, Alia, I really like her style. Yeah, very, very, very. मैंने सब ऐसे setting कर भी है. So we're all set. I'm going to be watching it in Bangalore with my friends there. It's really cool, yeah. I'm still doing the rounds outside. I hope I get in. So, thank you very much. Thanks.
I think it's good to wear clothes. It's awkward if you don't wear them, so that really is my fashion statement. I've decided from now on that I will not compromise. I've decided from now on that I'm just going to wear clothes. Nobody's going to stop me from doing that. Any favorite? Oh, designers. Tonight I'm wearing Pratap and Nari. Favorite picks? I mean, Pratap's one of my favorite designers. Shahab Durazi used to be. Nari now. What? I think sport is something that people should enjoy more than worry about winning or losing. I'm very excited. I cannot keep my clothes on. I'm so excited. My thoughts on India-Pakistan match is that I support India, and it's going to be a beautiful match. And I think we should play Pakistan more often. Cool. Natasha Gaurav. That's who I'm married to. One fashion faux pas I regret from college. Everything I wore in college, pretty much. That's what I regret. Right?
Today, just cool party. It's a party, right? Best dress. I'm very honored. We work hard to look good. It's good when it's appreciated. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, cliche. I say this every year. Best dress, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Jeetega bhai, jeetega. India jeetega. I'm die-hard India. I mean, it's a great game, but India, all the way India. Thank you.
You want me to say hello guys, what's up, hi. I am wearing this designer called Pawan Sachdeva. Yes. Let me check one second, I'm not sure. My designer would kill me. Yeah, Pawan Sachdeva. Just wear whatever fits you good here. Don't try and wear something because everybody else is wearing it. Wear what works for you. It's very individualistic. I think Mr. Bachchan is very well turned out always. And in the younger lot, I really like what Ranveer wears. I think it's, and only he can carry it. It's very quirky, and I think he dresses well. Yes, I'm very excited, yeah. I'm very excited. I'm a huge cricket lover. So I think I've called all my friends to my house tomorrow, and we'll watch it together. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sure. Sorry, I couldn't. I've been styled by Sukriti and Sukriti Grover, and I'm wearing a lot of labels here, and so there are a lot of labels, so I can't just name one. But I've been styled by Sukriti. My fashion statement, I guess it's just being comfortable in what you wear. I think because when you're comfortable with what you wear, it shows, and you get confident, and that's something you should always wear. You're confident. Yes. I'm a die-hard cricket fan, and my whole family is, a cricket lover. So I think I'm going to be watching it tomorrow, and I have a holiday from my promotions of Guest in London. So I'm getting a free Sunday tomorrow, so I'll be watching India-Pakistan, and yeah, I wish we'll win. We'll surely win, I guess. Who's there? Hi. Sorry? I'm wearing Antaragni tonight. Sorry? I think there are many. Ranveer, I'm a big fan because of his eccentricities, his courage to wear what he feels like wearing. And I think Saif Ali Khan, I think he's the most elegant dresser ever. I think whatever makes me feel more confident about being myself, I think I try to wear that. So yeah, but all the credit goes to my my stylist Lavdeep Guliani, because I myself am a very fashion handicapped person. Thank you. Yes, bye.